Hey guys, I'm excited to share this beginner macrame curtain tie back with you today. I ended up using the one I made in my daughter's room and I just love how it looks. I'm now selling wooden beads in a few shapes and sizes in my shop, so be sure to check them out if you're interested. See the description for links to purchase, either from Etsy or my website. If you're enjoying my tutorials, a quick like, comment, and subscribe really does help me out. Thanks so much. Let's get started. This tutorial creates a curtain tie back that is 17 inches long. The design creates 8 continuous diamonds, each roughly 2 inches long. If needed, you can adjust the size of this piece by adding or taking away diamonds. Cut 4 pieces of 3mm string, 1 piece is 8 feet long and 3 pieces are 12 feet long. Fold them in half so you have 2 4-foot pieces and 6 6-foot pieces. We will tie a diamond. Grab the 2 4-foot cords and tie a double half hitch knot, leaving a loop at the top before tying the knot. Make sure that the bead fits through the loop. Use the inside right cord as your filler cord and tie 3 more double half hitch knots working down and to the right. Repeat on the left side of your work. Tie a square knot around the 4 middle cords. Use the outside left cord as your filler cord and tie 3 double half hitch knots working down and to the right. Repeat on the right side of your work. Tie one more double half hitch knot with the 2 middle cords to connect the diamond. Tie 7 more diamonds, 8 diamonds total. If you'd like to stick to the original design, tie your diamonds as I've done at the bottom here with a square knot in the middle. If you'd like to change it up a bit, alternate the design inside the diamonds by tying one with a square knot in the middle, and then what I call an eye diamond with a hole in the middle. A card for the tutorial for this design should be available at the top right of your screen now. You can also find a link in the description. Add the wooden bead to the top 4 cords. Cut a piece of string that is 2 feet in length and tie a gathering knot. Cut off the excess cords. Trim the cords on the left so they are approximately 5 inches long. Cut 21 pieces of string, each piece is 10 inches long. Add 3 pieces of string in between each diamond by folding each piece in half and using a cow hitch knot to attach. Here's what each looks like once finished. Feel free to brush out the ends as you see fit. Thanks so much for watching.